stop scrolling. If you think English speaking is hard, listen to this. What if I tell you that speaking English can be easy, fun, and even a little funny?
Yes, funny. Because sometimes your English is not bad. Sometimes your fear is just too loud.
In this video, we will show you how to learn English speaking easily. No stress, no big grammar headache, just simple steps that really work.
And please stay until the end, because our last tip is small but very powerful. Many students do not know it, but it can change the way you speak forever.
Before we start, welcome to Smart English Official. If you want to speak English with more confidence, subscribe now.
Like this video, and leave a comment with this sentence: I can speak English. Write it now. Your English journey starts today.
All right, James, let's begin with a simple question. Why do many people understand English a little, but still cannot speak?
Good question. And the answer is very simple. Many people study English like a school subject. But speaking English is not only study. Speaking is a skill, like cooking, like swimming, like dancing, or like trying to open a bag of chips very quietly at night. It looks easy, but somehow the whole house hears it.
So true. You cannot learn swimming only by reading a book. And you cannot learn speaking only by reading grammar rules. You must use your mouth.
Exactly. So tip number 1 is this: speak in small English, not perfect English.
This is very important. Many beginners wait too long. They say, I will speak when my grammar is perfect. But perfect day never comes.
Never. It is like saying, I will go to the gym when I already have muscles. My friend, that is not how life works.
So instead of long and difficult sentences, start with short ones. For example, I am tired. I like coffee. I want to learn English. Please speak slowly. Can you help me?
These are small sentences, but they are powerful. Small English builds big confidence.
And here's something interesting. When you use short sentences again and again, your brain starts to remember patterns. Then one day, you speak without thinking too much.
And that's the magic moment. You stop translating every word in your head. You just speak.
Now let's go to tip number 2. Learn ready-made speaking phrases.
This tip saves time. Do not learn only single words. Learn full speaking chunks, small groups of words, like, how was your day? What do you mean? That sounds good. I'm not sure. Let me think. I don't know yet.
These phrases are gold because real conversation is full of repeated patterns. Native speakers do not create every sentence from zero. They use familiar phrases again and again.
Yes, even I say, let me think, when I already know the answer. It gives my brain 2 extra seconds.
Same here. So if you want to speak easily, collect useful phrases. Not 50 in one day, just 5. Learn 5 phrases, repeat them. Use them in your daily life.
Here is a mini challenge for you. After this video, choose these 5 phrases. I think so. Maybe later. That's interesting. Can you say that again? I understand now. Use them today.
Yes, today. Not tomorrow, not next Monday. Today. Because English grows when you use it.
Now, tip number 3. And this one is one of my favorites. Listen and repeat out loud.
This is also called shadowing. You hear English and you repeat it. Simple.
Very simple, but very powerful. When you repeat native or clear English audio, you learn pronunciation, rhythm, and natural speaking speed. And the best part? You do not need a partner every time.
You can do it with YouTube videos, podcasts, short audio lessons, or even movie lines. But please, choose easy English. If the audio is too fast, you will feel tired.
Right. Start with one short sentence. Listen. Pause. Repeat. Again and again. Yes, maybe your first try sounds strange. That is normal. My first singing try also sounded strange. Very strange. My dog left the room.
Poor dog. But this is the truth. Improvement begins with awkward practice, so do not be shy. Repeat clearly. Open your mouth. Let your voice come out.
And here is a secret many learners miss. Do not only repeat words, repeat emotion too. If the speaker sounds happy, you sound happy. If the speaker sounds surprised, you sound surprised. This makes your English more natural.
Great point. Now, tip number 4. This one is a game changer. Talk to yourself in English every day.
Some people hear this and say, "Talk to myself? Am I crazy?" No, you are training.
Exactly. Talking to yourself is one of the easiest ways to practice speaking. No fear, no pressure, no one corrects you in a scary voice.
You can speak about anything. Your breakfast, your day, your plans, your cat, your neighbor's very loud motorcycle.
For example, in the morning, say, I am waking up. I feel sleepy. I need water. Today, I will practice English.
In the kitchen, say, "I'm making tea. The water is hot. Where is my cup? Oh no, not again. I forgot the sugar."
These simple moments build real speaking habit. And something amazing happens. Your brain starts to connect English with daily life, not only with books.
And when English enters daily life, speaking becomes easier.
Now, here comes tip number 5. Please listen carefully. Do not fear mistakes. Use mistakes.
This is one of the biggest problems for learners. They're too afraid to be wrong, so they say nothing. But silence does not improve speaking.
Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher.
Let's say you speak and make a mistake. Good. Now you have something real to fix. That's progress.
A child learns to walk by falling. A learner speaks better by making mistakes.
Also, let me tell you something funny. Many times, even with wrong grammar, people still understand you. Communication is the goal, not showing off like a grammar robot.
Yes. If you say, yesterday I go market, people still understand. Later, you can improve it to, yesterday I went to the market, but first, speak.
Speak first, improve next.
Now, tip number 6. Practice with easy questions and answers.
This is a smart method. Why? Because real conversation often starts with simple questions like, what's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you like? How was your day?
Make a list of 10 easy questions. Then answer them out loud every day. Not in your mind, out loud.
Let's do a quick example. Lima, what do you do?
I teach English online, and I love helping beginners speak clearly.
Nice. What do you do in your free time?
I read, I listen to music, and sometimes I dance badly in my room.
Badly? Same here. When I dance, even the chair looks worried.
See, this is what makes speaking practice fun. It does not have to be serious all the time.
And when practice is fun, you do it more. Now, tip number 7. Use the 5-minute daily method. Many learners think they need 1 or 2 hours every day. That sounds nice, but for many people, it is not realistic.
So here's an easy plan. Just 5 minutes a day. Yes, only 5.
Minute 1, listen to one short English audio. Minute 2, repeat it. Minute 3, speak to yourself using 2 or 3 phrases. Minute 4, answer one easy question. Minute 5, say one thing about your day in English.
This is small, but it works because daily practice is stronger than rare long study.
10 minutes once a week is okay, but 5 minutes every day is better for speaking habit.
Now let's talk about something many learners worry about: pronunciation.
Ah, yes, the famous worry. My accent is not perfect. Listen carefully. Your goal is not to sound like every native speaker on earth. Your goal is to be clear.
Clear English is beautiful English. Do not wait for perfect accent before speaking. Speak clearly, speak slowly if needed, speak with confidence.
And remember, every country has different accents too. So relax. English is a world language.
Here's another curiosity point. Want to know why some people improve fast? It's not always because they are smarter. Many times it's because they are braver.
Yes, brave learners grow faster. They try, they speak, they repeat, they laugh at mistakes. Then they keep going.
So if you want easy English speaking, remember these simple keys. Speak in small sentences. Learn useful phrases. Listen and repeat. Talk to yourself. Use mistakes as lessons. Practice easy questions. Follow the 5-minute daily method.
And now, before we finish, let's give our viewers a simple 7-day challenge. Day 1, speak 5 short sentences. Day 2, learn 5 useful phrases. Day 3, do shadowing for 5 minutes. Day 4, talk to yourself in English. Day 5, answer 3 easy questions. Day 6, record your voice and listen to it. Day 7, speak for 1 minute about your day.
If you do this challenge, you will feel a difference. Maybe not magic in one night, but yes, real progress.
And progress is better than waiting.
So let's end with this truth. English speaking becomes easy when you stop trying to be perfect and start trying to be active.
Speak more. Fear less. Practice daily. Smile often. And please, do not fight with grammar at 2 a.m. Grammar usually wins.
Very true. Thank you so much for watching and listening. We hope this conversation helped you feel more ready, more calm, and more excited to speak English.
If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Smart English Official right now. Like the video, and leave a comment below with this sentence. I will speak English today.
Yes, write it in the comments. That's your promise to yourself.
And if you want, share this video with a friend who's learning English too. You can practice together.
Keep learning, keep speaking, keep growing.
Your English does not need to be perfect. It only needs to begin.
See you in the next video.
And remember, small practice every day creates big results.
This is Smart English Official. Let's speak English with confidence.
Bye, everyone.